Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone network problem that update required for cellular data. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your iPhone cannot use network or cellular data, or you have to any update required, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Or if you're still having the same issue, you just have to open up your settings and here you have to go for general, then go for this VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, because sometimes it might be that you're connected to any VPN, so you cannot use your cellular data. You have to just use your Wi-Fi. Or once you have disconnected with your VPN, now what you have to do if you're still having the same issue, you just have to open up your general again and then go for the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, and here you have to select reset network settings. Once you have selected, you have to enter your passcode here, and once you have entered your passcode, your all network setting will be resetted. It will not delete any type of data, so you can easily try this. Once you have reset your all network settings, it might be that your problem will be fixed if you have enabled or disabled any setting which is making issues. So you can easily fix that by using the step, or you can easily go to your screen time, then select the content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to disable this toggle, which will disable all the restrictions on your phone. Or if you're still having the same issue, you just have to open up your general again, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here. Or if you have any update, you have to try to update your system or iOS. So you simply tap on this update now option, and once you have updated, it will fix if there is any update issue on your iOS version. Or if you are still having the same issues, you have to try to make a force restart to your phone, because sometimes it might be that your phones need a restart, so it can get these type issues. So you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your phone screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, wait for the Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, release your button and wait for your phone until it's restart. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix all the issues you have. So in this way, you can really fix if you're having the same issue that you cannot use cellular data on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.